Hi guys, welcome back to Jihana JJ. Today I am in the zoo because it's here. All the monkeys is here, and I'm here with my sister Najwa and my cousin Yusra, and I'll show you everything. They're so cute. Anyway guys, if you're new to this kind of channel, click like and subscribe and leave this video huge big thumbs up in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, if you subscribe now, let's see the monkeys. They're so crazy. They even eat a flower. Can you imagine that? Okay, I'll get sunflower over there, and then I'm gonna give it to them. I'm gonna see what their reaction. Wait.
Sorry, but we are not the zoo. We are the monkey way.
I hope let's see their reaction. Excuse me, little monkey. I have some. Oh my gosh! Look at that! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Did you see that? He come close to me. But it's beautiful. I just got flower. Let me see their faces. And little guy, look at them. Little guy, take it. They're eating the flower. Oh my gosh. I hope they're not biting my clothes. Anyway guys, I'll show you my... get the treat.
صار حبة كان.
Wait, I'm gonna give a treat. Give me one. Okay.
أنا صار.
Look, you'll never believe what they're gonna do. Okay, look. Excuse me. Oh no, you missed it. Give me one. Why is Skip missing me? Give me. أبى هالحبة. أبى أنا مع سكح السدى. أوف. بحني حاسس مرهان. أبى عشان إيه؟ Oh my gosh! Look at that! Oh my. Oh, look at this one.
Most of the.
I like flower a lot, but I'll take this sunflower instead. I hope they're not gonna bite me. It's here. I'm gonna take which flower? Oh my god, guys! Look at that color one. Yes, this one. I got it, guys. Snake! Oh my gosh! I hit snake, guys. But look at this! Look at this flower, so cute. My other cousin has a lot of flowers.
Can I have a judge and I'm sure that's what's going on.
And also, can monkey eat flowers? Mean.
Guys, we're here.
What the
Guys.
heck? Stop!
Guys.
What are you
Guys.
doing?
We are here for 20 minutes. Now we gotta leave. And now after that, say we gotta leave. And now we gotta go. Okay, Jihana, let's go leave.
Everyone don't want to leave here. My cousin, she can dance. My cousin, she can dance. Look at her.
Oh, okay.
Look at her.
Guys,
Oh my gosh, what was that?
guys, she's not so weird because she's ugly.
Guys, what? You're telling me things about your sister.
So, guys,
That Yasmin, she's a really mean girl.
guys, if you like her, guys, click like and subscribe. I'm gonna show you the river. And that's right. The river is beautiful place to go. But I think that is here or not. I don't know. Oh my gosh, they're not here.
Oh, so that means I'm gonna have a party. I'll show you the river. The river, it will be much as you like.
I'll be running.
And things are wondering about me. I'm so close.
Oh, I'm here right now.
Oh my gosh. Look at this river. Just look. But it's not clean. But wow. That's I believe what I saw. It's a beautiful river. It's not clean yet. But look at that little cute little guy. Let me have some. So you can see the river. No! Here. Here's the river. It's cute. But everyone is wondering about me. I must run go to house. I don't want to stay here.